Have you ever wondered why Korean skin always looks so fresh, healthy, and naturally glowing? The secret isn't expensive products or filters. It's consistency and a simple skincare routine. In today's video, I'll show you a beginner-friendly Korean glass skin routine that's easy to follow. So grab your favorite drink, relax, and let's start your glow-up journey together. Step 1. Gentle cleansing. Everything starts with clean skin. Use a gentle cleanser that removes dirt, sunscreen and excess oil without making your skin feel dry or tight. Remember, healthy skin is clean skin, not squeaky clean skin. Step 2. Hydrating toner. The next step is a hydrating toner. Think of toner as a big glass of water for your skin. Instead of rubbing it in, gently pat it onto your face. This helps your skin absorb the next products even better. Step 3. Serum. Now it's time for a serum. Choose one based on your skin goals. For dull skin, look for vitamin C. For dry skin, hyaluronic acid is a great option. For uneven skin tone, niacinamide is a popular choice. You don't need 10 different serums, one that suits your skin is enough. Step 4. Moisturizer. Moisturizer locks in hydration and keeps your skin barrier healthy. No matter if your skin is oily or dry, don't skip this step. Healthy, hydrated skin always looks more radiant. Step 5. Sunscreen. If there's only one skincare product you never skip, let it be sunscreen. Wear SPF 30 or higher every morning, even when you're indoors or it's cloudy. Sunscreen helps protect your skin from UV damage and supports an even-looking complexion. Lifestyle tips. Skincare is only one part of the journey. Drink enough water. Get enough sleep. Eat a balanced diet with fruits and vegetables. Try not to touch your face too often. And remember to remove your makeup before going to bed. These small habits make a big difference over time. Common mistakes to avoid. Many beginners think using more products means faster results. But that's not true. Using too many active ingredients at once can irritate your skin. And always patch test new products before using them on your whole face. Final message. Glass skin isn't about having perfect skin. It's about having healthy, well-cared for skin that naturally looks fresh and hydrated. Everyone's skin is different, so be patient and enjoy the process. Small daily habits can lead to noticeable improvements over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, and subscribe for more beauty, skincare, and glow-up content every week. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself, stay happy, stay confident, and keep glowing. Bye. Sparkling heart.